I've got yet another video to show you a website that you can use to make at least $300 in one mission. And the strategies that I'm going to show you in this video are not going to make you rich. You're not going to be financially free by what I'm going to show you in this video. But what can be a game changer to your finances is what I'm going to announce towards the end of this video, where you can set up a business on autopilot. A business that runs 24/7, 365, whilst you are asleep, whilst you are traveling on vacation, whilst you are spending quality time with your wife, with your husband, whilst you are doing the more important things of life. Right, so stay with me. And my channel is all about making money. I create videos that show people how to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing. So if you're looking for ways and means of harnessing the power of the internet to make money, then my friend, you are watching the correct channel at the right time. So like, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. Thumbs up will go a long way because YouTube will just share this video with more people like you. Thank you very much. Let me take you to the website that I'm talking about. This is FOP.com. You can see that it is a secure website with a padlock at the corner. Right? I've already done some videos, maybe 1 or 2 videos in the past about this particular website. But today I'm going to give you another twist where you can maximize the earnings that you can get from this website. So FOP is a platform where you can upload some videos or some pictures and then you make money, right? You split 50-50 with this website if your picture or your video is bought by someone who wants it. Brands and individuals and organizations are now using websites like FOP and other places where they can take some photos, where they can buy some photos, because it can be really expensive to hire a photographer for a particular campaign for these organizations and companies. So they're coming to websites like FOP and then they buy photos which are uploaded by people like you and me. So this is where the opportunity is. So I'm going to show you how you can make at least $300 with a mission, right? I'm going to define what a mission in a minute. This is their advert to their prospective brands or companies that want to use this platform. This is not yours, but just to give you an overview of the company, of the website, okay? It says, tell your brand story with your own customized visual content. Access a community of 3 million talented creators to equip your brand with tailor-made video and imagery, right? So these are some of the brands that are using this website: Nivea, Continental Hotels, Bank of America, Volvo. It is important now to understand what a mission is. A mission is like a special project that a brand can bring to this website, and then it's looking for pictures or videos. So then the creators, people like you and me, who are uploading images and videos on this website, then we can see the instructions that have been given by a brand or by a company, by an organization, that they require a picture maybe about a summer sunset, or they are looking for a white Christmas, or they are looking for Thanksgiving Day meal. You get the picture in a minute, okay? So where it is interesting for you is where it says, if you go where it says for creators, right there, it says sell your content. You click that button, then this is what you see. It says time to make extra money with your videos and photos, all right? So you can download this on your Apple device or Android device. Fantastic, right? It says simply upload your videos and photos and earn cash. When a brand or agency or just anyone who finds your work outstanding purchases a video or photo from your online portfolio, we share the profit with you 50-50. Fantastic. So if you upload a photo and it's bought for $10, so you're going to split the $10 50-50 with this website. You get a $5, and then the company gets a $5. If your photo is bought for 20, you do the maths, 50-50. Take part in creative video and photo missions for brands and win hundreds of dollars. Submitting a video or a picture to one of our missions is an easy way of making your hobby even more profitable. Simply follow the mission brief and upload one or multiple videos or pictures that reflect what kind of imagery the brand is after. Right, I'll show you the details in a minute, okay? So it says, why wait? FOP is a great way to turn your videos and pictures into dollars you can spend on buying better equipment and becoming even a better video and photographer. Then you download the apps, depending on what device you have, okay? Apple or Android. Turn your photos into cash, right? There's a video right there. You can get the photo missions or you can get the video missions. Let me take you to the photo missions. You can access the photo missions from here. Click that button and you can see the missions here. All right, new missions. Okay, so this one, it says a look in the eye by FOP missions. How often do we look someone in the eye? Regardless of the answer, you would probably agree that there is always something magical about it. Show us these magical moments, but use your camera, right? So you can read some more. You can get some more on that mission. And this mission is paying $500. It's about to end. It's going to go anytime because there is 0 days left right there. And it's paying $500. It says, show us these magical moments, but use your camera to look someone in the eye. So these are the examples of the photos that people have already uploaded. That's fantastic. You have to be creative about it for your photo to be outstanding or your video to be outstanding and to win. And you pocket $500. Let's look at another mission. This one has got 3 days to go and it's paying $300. Perspective matters. And that one is paying $800, 30 days to go. And what it is about is when you hear the word December, what is the first thing that pops up in your mind? Is it a Christmas tree or a falling snow? Maybe it is a cup of hot chocolate and cinnamon cookies or a bunch of tangerines. We believe each of us perceive December in their own personal way, and we want to see it in your photos. This is the mission. And this particular mission is paying $800, my friend. Okay? It's paying $800. It's got 30 days to go, and 24 photos have been uploaded so far. Fantastic. You sign up on this website for free, and then you upload your photos for free. And then your photo will be here. You join this mission. Okay? If you join this mission, your photo will be found right here. The owner of the mission will come and select the best photo. That's what you have to do. We can have some more active missions right there. This one, 4 days left, $100. 4 days left, $200. 4 days left, $100. That one, 30 days, and you've got $100 reward. So you can use your phone, you can use your camera, you can shoot a whole movie with a phone. So you can use your phone, to take photos, to take some videos, and then you upload on this website, and then just wait. And the more you do it, the better your chances of winning become. Let's say you want to increase your chances of winning. It's just for an example, right? I'll show you a website, actually 2 websites. that you can use to pinch some photos, and these are royalty-free photos, and then you can upload them here. Show you some bonus websites where you can get some stunning photos. Say you get a mission that requires you to upload a photo of nature. The first website that you can use to get some free photos is called Pixabay. You can get some royalty-free photos from pixabay.com. Stunning free images and royalty-free stock. Say now you want to get photos about nature. You just type nature in the search bar. Go. And then you see the photos that are here. Look at the photos. Fantastic. And that's free to download. You can use it anyhow. You can use it to make money. And look at that one. Look at that one. Look at that one. Look at this one. Fantastic photos. What about that one? What about that one? What about that one? So you check the missions now. You check what the description of the mission is all about, and then you can quickly go to Pixabay and check if you can find a picture that fits the mission, right? Then you download it from here, put it on your computer, then you upload it on this website as your own photo, and no one is going to ask you anything, okay? There is another website that you can use. It's called Vidvo. It is a watermark like that. It means you have to buy, okay? So you just look for one which is not being sold, okay? Like this one. This one, there is no watermark there. There's no watermark here. There's no watermark here. No watermark. You can search for some more, right? No watermark there. All these are free. And you can download these photos into your computer, upload them onto FOP.com, and then you wait. Okay, the more you do it, the better your chances of winning become, and that's it. And remember, those missions are paying a lot of money, $300 a mission. I told you that I'm going to show you a website that pays you at least $300 for one mission. This is FOP.com, okay? And that one is paying $800, $500 right there, and so forth. If you get a video mission, you can come to Pexel Videos. You just type in pexels.com. This is free stock videos, and then you can find free videos on here. Say you want nature. Let's say nature. Look at this. Fantastic. Look at that. 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 Right. These videos are all free for you to use. No one is going to challenge you and say you've pinched or you've stolen some content from anywhere. These are free videos to use. So if you go to FOP, you get a mission that requires a video, then you just check, first of all, before you use your camera to take a video, check here. Just type in the keyword on there. It might be nature, it might be breakfast. Let's see if breakfast is there. Right? Breakfast is here. Right? It might be food. Right? Food is here. These are all fantastic videos that you can use and upload them on FOP and start to make money. This is how you can make at least $300 with one mission. So what I've just described to you is what is called active income. But there is another income which is called passive income, where you work once and then the machine will start to work for you 24/7. So that's autopilot income, autopilot business. If you want to know more about autopilot business, where business goes to work for you 24/7, 365, right? Check my #1 recommendation in the description below. If you have found value in this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next videos.